In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey in Airtable. Whether you're gathering customer feedback, conducting an employee survey, or doing market research, Airtable provides a versatile platform to streamline your data collection process. Let's dive into the details and start with the initial setup. First, you'll want to create or open a base where all your survey responses will be stored. If you're not familiar, a base in Airtable serves as your workspace where different tables and views are organized. From your Airtable dashboard, you might see examples like customer feedback, employee surveys, or product research. These examples can offer some inspiration on how to structure your own base. Once your base is ready, your next step is to create a dedicated table for survey responses. Think of a table as a sheet in a spreadsheet program. It's where individual survey submissions will live. A well-designed table might include fields such as a text field for names, an email field specifically to capture email addresses, a number or rating field for numeric feedback, a long text field for detailed feedback, a single select field for choosing departments, and a date field for recording submission dates. Each response to your survey will generate a new record in this table, organizing the data neatly and efficiently. Now let's look at creating the actual survey form. In Airtable, this is a straightforward process. You'll start by clicking on the plus add a view option, which allows you to create different ways to visualize your data. For a survey, choose form from the options. Give your form a descriptive name. This ensures it's easily recognizable, especially if you're managing multiple forms. When you click Create, Airtable magically transforms your table fields into questions for your form. This means you're already halfway there to having a functional survey. Customization is key to making your survey work for you, so you'll want to spend a little time tailoring the questions. Airtable gives you the flexibility to reorder the questions in whatever way makes sense for your audience. You might also decide to rename labels to make them clearer, or add specific instructions to guide respondents through. It's often helpful to mark certain fields as required, especially if they're crucial to your data collection goals. Conversely, if there are fields intended for internal use, such as an ID field, you can easily hide these from the form view to keep things tidy and relevant for your respondents. Finally, once you're satisfied with your survey's layout and content, it's time to share it with the world, or at least your intended audience. Simply click the Share Form button, and Airtable will generate a link. You can then distribute this link via email, social media, or any platform where you engage with your audience. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating an efficient survey in Airtable.